Exposing knobs has never been so quick and intuitive. With the new drag and drop feature, you can easily customize your knobs from directly inside the Properties panel, while still being able to access all the data available in the Manage User Knobs panel. Imagine the case in which you have a bunch of nodes, a transform, a blur, color correct, and they are in a group. Now, if you want to expose some of the knobs from inside the group, the old way would be to right-click in the Property panel, click Manage User Knob, then pick. Select one of the nodes, for example the Blur node, click one of the tabs, choose the knob you would like to expose, size for example, and finally press OK, and there you are, the knob is added. Basically, you always have to repeat this process anytime you want to expose one or more knobs. And if you need to change any parameter in the Properties panel, you always have to click Done. Overall, they are always at least 8 clicks. Let's see how it could be easier and faster with the drag and drop feature. Once the Properties panels of the group and the blur nodes are opened, what you need to do is just enable the knob edit mode. The orange icon means that the edit mode is now enabled. Select the knob you would like to expose and drag and drop it on the group panel. A new user tab will be automatically created and the knob added. Only 2 clicks. In this mode, you can also drag multiple knobs at the same time. Non-consecutive knobs can be selected by holding the Hold key. If you are not happy with the order, you can easily reorganize your knobs. And the orange horizontal line indicates where the knob will be moved. If the orange line changes to vertical, it means that the knob will be placed in line. A single knob can be quickly deleted by clicking the X icon on the left of the parameter. However, if you need to delete multiple knobs, this could take too much time. In this case, just drag the knob you want to delete. A bin icon will appear at the bottom of the panel and drop them on it. All knobs will be immediately removed from the User tab. If you delete the knobs by mistake, or if you place them in a wrong position, no panic, you can undo any change, and your knobs are now back. In the Manage User Knob panel, you were also able to add some custom knobs, which are now here, on top of the Property panel and next to the Knob Edit Mode icon. If you hover over these icons, the tooltip will help you to recognize what custom knob they stand for. Now, what you need to do is just drag and drop one of them on the group panel, and it will be added exactly where you want. Custom knobs and link knobs are easily recognized thanks to the dot color. Orange means that this is a custom knob, and gray stands for a link knob. Dots are interactive. If you click the dot, a pop-up will appear. Here, you can set everything that you used to set in the Manage User Knob panel. You can set a variable name, a label, type a Python script, and for saving, just click anywhere outside the pop-up, and any change will be updated. Tabs can be created in 2 different ways. If you place a tab between 2 knobs, it will bring the second knob and any knob after in the new tab. Instead, if you drop the tab on another tab, this will create a new empty tab. Knobs can also be moved from a tab to another one. Just drag the knob over the tab to open it, and then place it wherever you like. Anytime you delete a tab or a group, a pop-up comes up, informing you that you are going to delete also its contents. Click OK to confirm, or next time, use Alt-click to delete without prompting. If you work with floating panels, you can make the new knob panel floating as well, simply by dragging the Knob Edit Mode icon. Nothing has been changed. You can still drag and drop both custom and link knobs. If the Properties panel is no longer open and the Knob panel is closed too, you can find it in the Window menu. Instead, if the Properties panel is open, when you close the Knob panel, it goes back to its original place. Finally, you can also hide knobs. Click the eye icon to enable the hide option. Once you exit the Knob Edit mode, the knob won't appear in the Properties panel. And when the Knob Edit mode is off, all editing icons, the dot, the eye, and the X are hidden too, as well as the icon for custom knobs in the Knob panel. and the knob edit mode icon turns to gray, meaning that the edit mode is now disabled, and you can easily enable and disable it using the shortcut Command or Ctrl-Alt-E. Note that you cannot change any of the pre-existing knobs or delete any of the pre-existing tabs, and that all these functionalities were possible before. This is just a simpler and quicker way, a nice enhancement for the gizmo creation and for working with live groups.